5 color grading hacks in 2 minutes. Use power grades. Power grades are a way to copy one node structure from one clip to another. And they're different from LUTs because you have the ability to change the values within those nodes. So you have the same flexibility that you would have normally doing a color grade, except you don't have to go through all the values and change every single node. If you're shooting scenarios like this, a talking head in the same sort of lighting, they're perfect. Number 2, always use noise reduction at the start of your grade. The reason being is your qualifier is going to be cleaner, your overall image is going to be cleaner, and you're going to get less breaking apart when you're trying to shift colors and shift tones throughout the piece. This is especially important if you're having to correct skin tones because you're not going to get that blotchiness in the skin and it's going to look ace. If you've always wanted that film look, there's actually a built-in film look within DaVinci Resolve. In your node tree, at the very start, put a color space transform. You're going to change that from whatever your input is to sitting on film log, and into your LUT to DaVinci Resolve. These are already built in for you, and you're going to come down to the Kodak area, chuck that on, and you've got a pretty simple film emulation for you to work off. Steal the color grade from any movie or any video that you've seen. All you need to do is grab all the clips you'd like to apply the grade to, put it in the timeline, grab a still from the movie that you'd like to borrow their colors from, chuck that in the timeline too. Go to your color tab, select all the clips you'd like to grade, and then you're going to right click on the still that you're stealing the grade from, and then you're going to click shot match this clip. DaVinci will think for a little bit, and then all those clips are going to be matched to that grade as best as possible. Last one, stay away from the qualifier if you're trying to change colors. If you go into your hue versus hue slider, this is the best, most natural way to be able to change your sliders. Shift them around, it's going to give you much smoother transitions out of there rather than selecting a certain color, which is such a small collection. Your footage can break apart really easily unless you're shooting on RAW. I'm assuming you're a YouTuber or a videographer like me and you're not shooting on RAW, so make sure you're using the hue versus hue slider. You're going to get much more natural results, a much smoother gradation, and your footage won't break apart as easily. That's it, guys. 5 hacks for your color grading. I hope this helped. These have been really powerful and really instrumental for me to be able to hone my color grading skills and being confident enough to pursue colorists as a freelancer as well on top of my filmmaking videography business. So I hope it helps. I'll see you in the next one. If it did help and you guys enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.